Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the right chocolate and measuring it. You want consistency. Place the chopped pieces into the removable pot, then set the melter to 40–45 degrees C so the chocolate softens slowly. Once set, cover the pot to trap gentle steam. This prevents sudden cooling and grain. Keep stirring every 2–3 minutes with a dry spatula to distribute heat evenly, because even melting reduces scorching and prepares the chocolate for tempering or use. Once the chocolate is fluid, you must control its thermal path. This is why you monitor temperature with a probe in the mass, not air. Stir in a figure eight. Scrape the pot so no hidden lumps remain. Make sure to lower heat once you reach 45 degrees C for dark chocolates, then cool to 27–28 degrees C to form stable crystals. After that, raise to 31–32 degrees C for coating. This ensures glossy shine and snap when set. Finally, you move chocolate to your tools and maintain the melter at working temp so viscosity stays consistent. This prevents streaks and bloomed finishes. Once finished, remove pots while warm and wipe with a dry cloth. Never pour water into the heater. Electronics and steam will damage it. If chocolate seizes, don't panic. Add 1 teaspoon neutral oil per 100 g or warm gently while stirring to re-emulsify. If persistent, clean and restart with fresh chocolate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.